And the table stands.
Hooray!
Freaking awesome.
Nobody died.
You can park a car on this thing.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. Junior came over to help.
Yeah.
Take a picture, Junior. You're not wanted right now, right?
Junior helped.
Junior helped.
Thank you, Junior.
He helped me put dunnage under there. Thank you, Junior.
And
Hooray.
the man himself.
Hooray, hooray.
Hooray.
Welding table.
Welding table.
Extraordinaire.
She's awesome. Freaking awesome.
I think the come-along died at just the moment when we finished, so...
We killed the come-along.
I guess it served its purpose. It was worth the 25 bucks it cost or something like that. Need to get a decent
This is
chain fall.
awesome.
Chain fall. That's what we need.
Okay, we are done.
Is this my nice green hat?
Yes, your nice green
I
hat.
have a lovely herbal green hat.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Ordered from somewhere up in the Great White North.
Yes.
If I think of it later, I'll tell you where. Yeah. Well,
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
All right.
Sorry it took so long. We had a lot of difficulties to overcome, but kept after it, and now it's standing, so I don't think even an earthquake will flip it over now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.